looks like I don't know what I hold. Am I really in God's hands? Am I letting go what I have in my hand? Or is it just slipping my hand? A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. I'd rather hold what's in my hand than let go what I have. What's in my boat? Do I have a bird or nothing? What's nothing in the hand, worth in the bush? Is it one bird? Or it's nothing? I'm asking because I don't feel anything in my hands. Do I go in the bush? It seems like there's plenty there. Is there need to talk about a bird in my hand when there's plenty in the bush? Ooh, tell me to go and teach me how to catch them birds. Alone, I might just scare them, and all the birds may fly away, and I'll have nothing in my hand, no birds to catch. Not even a bird in my hand will be worth two in the bush. Ooh, teach me how to catch the birds. I don't want to be a lonely fool in the bush with nothing in my hand. Debate is on. Perhaps I'll stick to one bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Comfort zone is good when the table is full. When you got something in your hand, if your hand is empty, go to the bush. 'Cause nothing in the hand is worth nothing.